If you want to download and set up Visual Boy Advanced for Windows, this is your tutorial. Let's dive in. Okay, so once we are on visualboyadvanced.org, you have to press the download button and you have to select your operative system, your SOS, press install instructions, and here you can see how to install. So we go back and go to download. Wait a few seconds to the download to start. If it's not starting, you have to press the download button here with the bit your PC has. Press download, wait a few seconds, double click the file that you are downloading, and it will open this WinRAR folder that you have to drag to your desktop. Then you double click, wait a few seconds to this to appear, the window that have to appear, and as you can see we have Visual Boy Advanced and we can do whatever we want in this application. So if this video was useful for you, please subscribe, comment, share, like, press the bell on the subscription button, and see you in another easy way video. Goodbye.